guys, today's actually the day before Vlogmas. I'm starting this on November 30th so that I can have it up on the first day of December and I can do Vlogmas the right way this year. Because I remember last year or 2 years ago, or was it 3 years ago? I don't know. I tried doing Vlogmas and I didn't really do it right. So this year I'm going to start doing it every day and I'm holding myself accountable. I even have, where is it? Like a little pamphlet of ideas so that whenever I don't know what to vlog about, I can look at that and have content for you guys. This morning I have 2 clients, so I do want to come back and kind of chit chat a little bit more. This morning, not gonna lie, I was kind of rushing because I was trying to film for you guys, but also prep, clean, get ready. So I haven't eaten breakfast. My mom is an angel and she went to the bagel shop. This is like the best orange juice. They always make it fresh. And then, okay, a bacon, egg, and cheese. My mom took a bite, so that's why it's like falling apart. And I usually don't eat before clients because I like to sleep in and then I don't have time to cook and I don't want the house to smell. So right now I'm actually eating in my room just so that there's no possibility of, you know, of the house smelling. I'm just gonna finish eating, get the job done, and then I'll be back with you guys. My first client already left. Now I gotta strip the bed and change it for my next one. Even though like it's really smart, I guess, to just have them lay on top, put like that wax paper so that I don't have to keep doing the bed and doing that much laundry. I like for my clients to feel like I like them to have the full experience, so I rather just buy a lot of sheets and keep washing them and change them in between clients. So I'm kind of in a rush. Let's get this going. Disinfect any equipment that I touch during the facial, like the steamer, the towel warmer, and the products. And I've just did a dermaplaning facial. I'm gonna do another dermaplaning facial right now, which I love. Those are so satisfying. Maybe I'll record one for you guys. And I am for sure gonna do like a day in my work life, so look out for that, so that it can be a more in-depth process of how I prep, set up, do my thing, and also clean up, which is the most annoying part of it all, but it's a must. It looks so tiny. Right now I just finished packing an order that I have to ship back to Amazon. I bought like these 2 sheets kind of on a whim because I needed them that same week, because out of nowhere I had 5 clients in one day and I'm only really equipped for like 3. I know I should be, you know, always ready, but because I'm starting out, I never had that many people in one day. And so I bought these. They came on time. I used them, and then after I dried them, it started looking like flaky. Like imagine your skin dry and like flaky, maybe like a chemical peel, you know, imagine that in my sheets. And I'm like, if this is happening after 1 use, that means these are not gonna last me long. So I'm gonna return these today. I actually have a couple things that I have to do, and it sucks because it is ugly, it is raining, it is cold outside, it is so dreary, but I have to do these errands. I'm like trying to hide this whole ass mess behind me. Can you tell? Just trying to see if I need to do a box. I know I don't have to print a shipping label, but I always forget if I have to also package it because I don't think I have any boxes at home. Okay, I'm gonna head out in a second. I decided that I want to put some perfume on because since I am at home and I work at home, I tend to just forget and they just sit there and collect dust. I got this package from Atelier, I believe it's called, and it's all these little minis, and they honestly make such beautiful stocking stuffers if you know, get this and like add one to each person's. And I decided to go with the Clementine California. I honestly don't know the notes of this one. I think the package says it. This one is a scented composition built around clementine from California, fruity, green, and sweet. Yeah, I can agree. It definitely is citrusy, but it's not like too like sour. Definitely has a sweet component to it, and I think I'm gonna just try to use one every day and see how I like it, and then tell you guys like a mini review. Yes, this is my kitchen, but it has the best lighting right now, and I want to show you what I am going to be wearing. I'm not gonna call this outfit of the day because I am gonna change right back into sweats when I get back home, but I guess it's my outfit of my errands. I don't know, let's roll with it. This turtleneck is from Uniqlo. I just got it. I bought it from, I just said it, I bought it from Uniqlo, but I got it on sale before Black Friday. I got it for like $14, so I got the black one and the white one. These are really warm, they're soft, they're thin, very great for layering. And then my pants, my jeans are from Tommy Hilfiger. I got these thrifted in Brooklyn like, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 years ago. And they're like this type of cut. They're not all the way down. They're not the most comfortable either. They're pretty stiff, but they're cute. I'm gonna put my mask on, put a coat on, and sneakers. Was gonna wear sneakers, but I decided to go with these leather booties because they're waterproof and my sneakers are not. I usually don't like wearing anything heeled, but these are pretty comfortable. Also just randomly found them in H&M, and they, I don't know, they just get the job done. First line of business is put Bad Bunny's new album. Obsessed, but honestly obsessed with him and obsessed with everything he comes out. What song am I really liking right now? I like them all, but La Droga, go listen to it. Also, Haciendo que me amas, I think I'm gonna play that one right now.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Oh my god. Okay. I clicked next and La Droga was next. On shuffle. Meant to be. Hi! Oh my god, cute! Let's see if it doesn't fall. If it does... Pero si volviera a pasar, yo no puedo explicar. Ni yo tampoco. Okay, this one is also one of my favorites. That's what I say for all of them though. Okay, I'm gonna have to get one of those sticky things so I can put you guys on my dashboard, because right now this angle is not cute. Let's be honest, it is not cute. This shit keeps sliding around and it's not safe. So we're gonna try to do the dashboard thing. All disinfected. I use this spray, if you're wondering, to disinfect cavicide. This is what they use at the hospital, and also it's like tuberculocidal, bactericidal, virucidal, fungicidal, whatever, you know? So I spray it down. I have gloves on and I'm gonna unpack this. I actually missed twice. The 2 times that they came to drop this off, I missed. I guess I had to sign for them. And I went to pick it up, so I have no... What is that noise? Is it just my ear? Okay, whatever. I went to pick it up and I don't even know what is in here or what this is. It says Medicube. Oh shit. Okay, I don't know. I wasn't expecting this, and I don't even know if I spoke to this brand or maybe if this is like a PR agency and they're sending this over. This did get shipped from Korea, but this is from Medicube. And then, oh my god, this is so cute. I have so many headbands now, but this one feels really comfortable and stretchy, which I love. Probably gonna put this in the wash and then use it. Let's see. This is Medicube Deep Vita C Ampule, 13.5% pure vitamin C. The ingredients aren't in English, so I'm gonna try to look it up online and see. Then we also have this. It is their blue erasing cream. Again, ingredients are not in English, might be like in the paper inside, but also this seems to be a sheet mask pack, and this is a relaxed calming ringer mask. Soothing sheet mask formulated, calms irritated and sensitized skin with tea tree leaf oil and Centella asiatica. This is a brush, dual-ended, has silicone and also regular brush. I'm not a big fan of using brushes on my face, so I might pass this one along. And then we have a red foam cleanser. I also have a lot of cleansers, and girl, I am stressed trying to use them up because they last me so long. But thank you so much. I don't know who to thank because, I mean, I guess thank you Medicube, but I don't know if I was in contact with them. But I'm really excited. I'm probably gonna, I don't know, you know, kind of also share with my family because I have too much skincare. But this baby is gonna be mine, and the vitamin C ampules as well. That'll be it for Vlogmas Day 1. I've been in bed since 5 and it's only 6 right now, and I don't see myself doing anything else for the rest of the day. I appreciate you guys sticking around if you made it to the end, and I'll catch you guys in Vlogmas Day 2. Bye!